Genius Amazon Gadgets. This device is so cool. It's a wireless Bluetooth printer that doesn't require any ink. It prints Word, PDF, or photo files directly from your phone and would be great for students, business owners, or anyone who works from home. You can even use the camera on your phone to scan and make extra copies of any document.
5 best-selling Amazon finds is just slap. This all-in-one gadget lets you easily measure and dispense the exact amount of solids and liquids like peanut butter, milk, honey, and oil so you don't have to use any other measuring tools. This container lets you keep a bag of sliced bread fresher for longer. You can store it on the counter or pantry and makes it super easy to dispense one slice at a time. This silicone mat can be used as a jar opener, a microwave mat, a splatter guard, as an oven mitt, utensil rest, a pot grabber, and even as a trivet. This sliding caddy is perfect for air fryers, toasters, and coffee makers so you don't have to drag kitchen appliances across your counters. This under the cabinet spice rack easily mounts to your shelf and gives you access to the spices you need, plus it doesn't take up a lot of space and makes your cabinet look more organized.
Favorite Amazon gadgets. This is probably one of the easiest outdoor-indoor security cameras you will ever install. It comes with a powerful magnetic mount that can hold up to strong winds. There's no wires, it connects to Wi-Fi and Alexa, has 2K resolution, has 16 gigabytes of internal memory for recordings, full color night vision with the spotlight, a motion alarm to scare off thieves, two-way audio.
Excuse me, can I help you?
It records even when the power and Wi-Fi goes out. It's weatherproof, and the rechargeable battery can last months on a single charge. And the best part is, you can control everything right from your phone because it has 4 preset modes to get you started right out of the box. This camera is a great option. If you need the link, it's in our bio.